Hello friends, welcome back to my channel English Study Pathshala, and in this video we will learn 50 daily use sentences. So let's get started. The first sentence is हिचकिचाओ मत, don't hesitate, don't hesitate. चिंता की कोई बात नहीं, there is nothing to worry, there is nothing to worry. मुझे तुम पर गर्व है, I am proud of you, I am proud of you. तुम मेरे अत्यंत प्रिय हो, you are so dear to me, you are so dear to me. मैं तुमसे वास्तव में नाराज हूं, I am really annoyed with you, I am really annoyed with you. कितनी शर्म की बात है, what a shame, what a shame. फिजूल बकवास मत करो, don't talk nonsense, don't talk nonsense. मेरी निगाह से दूर हो जाओ, get out of my sight, get out of my sight. तमीज से बोलो, behave yourself, behave yourself. मैं आपसे सहमत नहीं हूँ, I don't agree with you, I don't agree with you. मैं तुम्हें आखिरी चेतावनी दे रहा हूँ, मैं तुम्हें आखिरी चेतावनी दे रहा हूँ. I warn you for the last time, I warn you for the last time. तुमने अपना कैरियर खराब कर लिया है, you have spoiled your career, you have spoiled your career. The next sentence is अपनी जिम्मेदारी समझो, realize your responsibility, realize your responsibility. अपना काम करो, mind your business, mind your business. बहुत चालाक बनने की कोशिश मत करो, don't try to be too clever, don't try to be too clever. तुम बहुत ही धूर्त व्यक्ति हो, you are an extremely cunning man, you are an extremely cunning man. वह एक नीच व्यक्ति है, he is a mean fellow, he is a mean fellow. यह सब तुम्हारी करतूत है, it's all your doing, it's all your doing. यह सब तुम्हारी वजह से हुआ है, it's all because of you, it's all because of you. तुम्हें अवश्य दंड मिलना चाहिए, you must be punished, you must be punished. तुम माफी के हकदार नहीं हो, you don't deserve forgiveness, you don't deserve forgiveness. तुम्हारे ऊपर लानत है, shame on you, shame on you. तुम्हें अपने ऊपर शर्म आनी चाहिए, you should be ashamed of yourself, you should be ashamed of yourself. तुम किस कक्षा में पढ़ते हो, in which class do you study, in which class do you study. वह इस साल MA पास कर लेगी, she will pass MA this year, she will pass MA this year. वह गणित में कमजोर है, he is weak in mathematics, he is weak in mathematics. मैंने अपना कोर्स पूरा कर लिया है, I have completed my course, I have completed my course. वह अपनी पढ़ाई में रुचि नहीं लेता है, he doesn't take interest in his study, he doesn't take interest in his study. The next sentence is हमारा स्कूल कल बंद रहेगा, our school will remain closed tomorrow, our school will remain closed tomorrow. वह मुझसे एक साल पीछे है, he is junior to me by 1 year, he is junior to me by 1 year. क्या तुम एक कविता सुना सकते हो, can you recite a poem, can you recite a poem. तुम्हारे ऐच्छिक विषय क्या है, What are your optional subjects? What are your optional subjects? बड़ी जोर से बारिश हो रही है। It is raining cats and dogs. It is raining cats and dogs. हल्की हल्की बूंदें पड़ रही है। It is drizzling. It is drizzling. पछुआ हवा चल रही है। The west wind is blowing. The west wind is blowing. मैं जाड़े से काँप रहा हूँ। I am shivering from cold. I am shivering from cold. मुझे पसीना आ रहा है। I am perspiring. I am perspiring. मैं पूरी तरह भीग गया था। I was completely drenched. I was completely drenched. पर्दे गिरा दो। Draw the curtains. Draw the curtains. मेरे साथ साथ आओ। Come along with me. Come along with me. नम्रता से बात करो। Talk politely. Talk politely. मुझे 4 बजे जगा देना। Wake me up at 4 o'clock. Wake me up at 4 o'clock. मेरे लिए एक प्याला चाय लाओ। Bring me a cup of tea. Bring me a cup of tea. मुझे कल याद दिलाना। Remind me tomorrow. Remind me tomorrow. The next sentence is इसे लिख डालो। Note it down. Note it down. पंखा चला दो। Switch on the fan. Switch on the fan. पंखा बंद कर दो। Switch off the fan. Switch off the fan. सावधानी से गाड़ी चलाओ। Drive cautiously. Drive cautiously. अपनी किताब पृष्ठ 91 पर खोलो। Open your book at page 91. Open your book at page 91. अपने स्वास्थ्य का ध्यान रखो। Take care of your health. Take care of your health. I hope this video is very helpful for you to speak English. If you like this video, please like the video, and if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe our channel English Study Pathshala and press the bell icon. And finally, thanks for watching.